Cough. Cough is a difficult word to spell, so I've given you a little saying to help you. Cough starts with a K. On, followed by an R. Untidy, followed by an A. Green, followed by G. Hippo, followed by H. Cough on untidy green hippo.